Hi, so today we're going to be talking about ratios. I filmed a whole video explaining it, and it was like 10 minutes long, and then I went to the video and I realized that it didn't actually record any of the audio, and so we're back, this time with audio. So yeah, ratios basically are very similar to rates, like we talked about in our rates and unit rates video. However, the main difference is that usually ratios are the same unit, give or take, and they can be expressed differently. So if you have something like 3 to 5, like 3 bees to 5 wasps, I don't know, you could write that as 3:5, or you could write it like this with 3/5. Yeah, so there's that. When we're talking about ratios and stuff, you really just want to read the question. A lot of these are very easy if you are reading the question and thinking about it. So this one's saying 96 of the 224 participants in club activities are residents. What is the ratio of non-residents to residents who participate in club activities? It says lowest terms. So 96, so it's saying non-residents to residents, and we know that 96 are residents, so 96 is going to be on the other side, on the left side, because it's saying non-residents to, you can think of 2 as a colon, and then residents. So non-residents is not going to be 224 because that's total participants. Non-residents are going to be 224 minus 96, which is going to get you, 1 minute, minus 96, which is going to give you 128. And then they're both divisible by 32, which gives you 4 ratio, and then 96 divided by 32 is going to give you 3. So the ratio is going to be 4 non-residents to 3 residents, and that is going to be your answer. So yeah, basically if you just read it and think about it, it will be fairly easy. This one is saying the ratio of 1.2 to 26 is the same as the ratio of 4.8 to a mystery number. This one, all we want to do for these types is to find how we got to one place. So we know that the 1.2 and the 4.8 are like twinners in this situation because they are both on the same side of the colon. They're both on the right side of the colon. 1.2 goes into 4.8 4 times. So we can assume that 26 goes into 8 4 times. So 26 times 4 is going to give you 26 times 4, 104. So it's going to be 4.8 to 104. That's going to be our answer. This one, again, reading the question will pretty much give you the answer. It gives us a list of how many marbles we have, and it's asking the ratio of blue marbles to green marbles. The black marbles and the brown marbles are red herrings. All you need to know about is the 15 to 21, because there's 15 to 21. And then lowest terms would be, they're both divisible by 3, so we get 5:7. This one, same idea as before. 4 goes into 24 6 times. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. So 18 to 24 is our answer with that. These ones are a little bit more tricky. It's recently estimated that females outnumber males by 8 to 5. So 8 to 5, F to M. And then if there are 3,276 people in a country, how many of them are females? If we think about it in groups, 8 to 5 is 8 plus 5 is 13. So 1, 2, 3. I'll do it small first, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are all groups of 1 people, 1 person. If we can take 3,276 and turn that into groups of 13, what we can do is we can divide 3,276. Sorry, excuse me. 276 divided by 13, which gives you 252. Now what you have, when you times 252 by 13, you get this 3,276 number. Now what we've done is we have bigger groups of this. These all represent the same thing. It's just that With these, they were groups of 1 people. These are groups of 252 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We can circle those. So we know that 8 of these are going to be female. And then 5 of these are going to be male. And in the same vein, 8 of these are going to be female. And 5 of these are going to be male. So if we times 252 by 8, we get 2,016 people. And that is going to be our answer. There's going to be 2,016 females. Then this one is our last problem. It's basically a similar concept. The thing that I want you to pay attention to the most is that it is telling you that Group B gets the same number of fuel cards rather than the same percentage, or same proportion. So whatever 2/5 of 750 people are, B gets that same number instead of 2/5 of 697. I won't solve this because I don't want to make the video go on longer. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be happy to help. Thank you. See ya.